Crypto news: the price of metaverse land, Web3 and crypto agencies that raised cash. A new DAO: the price of metaverse land, and crypto agencies that raised cash. 1. Funding news. 2. DAO of the week. 3. Why is metaverse land precious? 4. Top 5 new Web3 funding databases. Funding news. This week in Funding Friday, $550 million invested into Web3 agencies. Work or given $5 million to fit crypto initiatives and developers collectively. Projects can put up responsibilities they want done, at the same time as developers can practice to assist and receives a commission in crypto for doing them. Trip were given $11 million to construct a Aware Metaverse, the use of AR/VR tech. They're seeking to be the com of Web3. Utopia Labs were given $23 million to broaden a payroll and cost control device for DAOs. Wine Chain were given $1 million to apply blockchain generation to authenticate wine collections. Bottoms up. Jupiter Exchange were given $5 million to fractionalize NFTs of actual global assets. Walken were given $4.7M to construct a walk-to-earn game. 2M to permit human beings hire NFTs for famous play-to-earn games. Don't need to personal the NFT? Now you could hire it. Check out the whole database of agencies which have raised cash this year, proper here. DAO of the week. A DAO is essentially a collection chat with a financial institution account. DAOs are desirable for organizations of those who are doing matters that contain cash. It's a collection of 80 track creators, musicians, visible artists, engineers, etc., which have come collectively to create track and launch it via their brand, Chaos. There might be a complete of 45 songs created over 8 weeks, with all 80 human beings pitching in to make them. These songs will then be made into a set of 20,000 track NFTs, every with precise cowl art, on the way to be offered later this month. The cool part, the cash might be break up routinely the use of clever contracts. This is certainly considered one among many track experiments happening the use of Web3. Over the previous few weeks we've seen Kanye West record logos for NFTs and virtual currencies. The Chainsmokers dropped a whole album as an NFT in which holders get a percentage of royalties. LimeWire make a comeback and Signala address UMG, a label that has artists like Taylor Swift, The Weeknd, BTS, Drake, Ariana Grande, and more. And the day past we were given information that Binance will formally be sponsoring the Weeknd's subsequent global excursion. This might be the primary crypto-powered global excursion ever. There might be diverse NFTs made for the excursion, such as each unmarried price tag might be an NFT. Why is land in the metaverse valuable? Real property is all approximately location, location, location. That's why Ben's tiny condo in NYC changed into really well worth $2 million, and you can get this insane mansion in Bumpsy, Idaho for the identical price. But what approximately land with inside the metaverse? Why are human beings shopping for digital land? Does proximity to stuff truly count number while you can simply teleport to places, in preference to taking an automobile or aircraft to get there? And how approximately the price of metaverse land? How is it valued while, in theory, there's an endless supply? Here are the 4 takeaways. 1. The idea of virtual actual property has been around for decades. Historically this has been called advert spaces. Billions of greenbacks are spent shopping for outspace with inside the Facebook feed, Google Consequences feed, etc. 2. Blockchain tech and NFTs are a game changer for virtual actual property ownership. Digital actual property has constantly had price. What Web3 makes one of a kind is who owns it. It's not the Facebooks and Googles of the global. It's the human beings. And we're now those which can personal and hire it out. 3. The precious land online might be really well worth way more than precious land in New York. In the bodily global, a commercial enterprise in NY can best serve human beings in NY. But the target market for the metaverse is global. Just like how we use Zoom for conferences at work, and Snapchat to socialize, we'll see the identical aspect in Web3. Top 5 new Web3 funding databases. Autograph, NFTs for celebrity autographs raised $170 million. Near, multi-chain compatible L1 founded by ex-Google guys